guys, welcome to my channel, another episode of Maame Mondays, boohoo, and we're back. Last week we took a little bit break, but we're back. So today, wanted to do just a little fun video, a get to know me tag. I know this was like popular like back in the day in YouTube, but I figured why not bring it back so you guys can just get to know a little bit about myself. So I'll be answering 21 questions that I literally found from Google and a few that like a friend's like suggested as well. So if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my questions and I'll be doing 21 questions so you guys can get to know me a little bit. So let's just dive right in. So the first question is, what's your name? So my name is Maame Sewa Owusu. A lot of people call me Maame, and I know I say Maame Mondays because like people can't really pronounce the name like Maame, right? And I'm from Ghana too as well. So like Maame means mother in Ghana, so it's like Maame, but people say Maame, I've had mommy and all that stuff. So simple, you can call me Maame, that's fine. If you can pronounce my name correctly, that's great. If not, it's okay. And then the second question is, what time do I go to bed? So it all depends. I'm more so like a late sleeper, so like around like 12 or 1 o'clock catch me in bed, just because like, you know, my church prays at night, but usually around like 12, 1ish, you know. I'm not really an early bird sleeper unless like I have something to do, but really, yeah, you're gonna be going to bed around like 12. How would you rate your childhood on a scale from 1 to 10? So I would say about a 6, because you know, if you're the oldest, especially the oldest female in an African household, like you're like a second mom, so if you know, you know, or even like any household, but in my household, since I was the oldest and I was a girl, I was basically like the second mother. I still am, but you know, I've grown to love it. And this is, what are your favorite values in friends? Ooh, this is a good one. So in a friendship, I value authenticity. I value a friend who can call me out on my BS, so to speak. And I'm so glad as to like the knit friends that I have. I have a friend who's particularly like, he calls me out, okay? Calls me out. And I love friends who are supportive, who just go out their way to like help you out, right? Who doesn't love that, right? It's like, I go out my way for you, you go out my way for, you know, you got my way for me. Is that even English? But yeah, you guys get the gist. So definitely a friend who's super supportive and prayerful. Y'all, you need a friend who will bring you back to the word all the time, like even in your stupidness, because sometimes you know that what you're doing is not right and you need a friend to be like, sis, what is Jesus saying though? So yeah, that's what I value in my friend. What's my favorite holiday? So I love it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I mean, not literally, but I love the holiday season, like Christmas, just because of gifts and like, you know, I get to have like peppermint mocha. Like it's just a festive mood for me personally. What is your best trait? Ooh, this is a good one. I think my best trait would have to be just going out my way for others. It's generosity, I would say. I love giving, I love helping others. If I can do anything to like bring a smile on your face within my means, I will do it 110%. Just I'll say my best trait. And I think I'm humorous a little bit, you know. I have some sense of humor. It says, what's your favorite restaurant? So it used to be Swahili Village, but now I don't know why they're super expensive now, so I don't really have a favorite restaurant. I love food. Like if you guys know me, well, it's a get to know me tag. So I love food, guys. I love cooking. I just, all things food, spices, your girl, you name it. And I'll leave my links down below of my food page so you guys can check it out. What else? What is an interesting fact about you? I guess an interesting fact would be I love hiking. I know it's weird. I don't know why it's weird, but I love hiking, outdoor activities and things like that. And of course I love cooking. So I don't think it's an interesting fact, but you know, do it as you wish. It says, did you go to college? I did. Go Rams, go Rams, go Rams. I went to BCU in Richmond, Virginia. So that's fun. I don't know what number we're on, guys, but at this point it is what it is. Hopefully you guys are getting to know me a little bit while doing this, getting to know my personality. I'm fun, I like to laugh, I love the Lord. That's number one. I love Jesus, if you haven't realized already. It says, what's your favorite ice cream flavor? So let me put you guys onto this. So I'm technically right now in Dallas, right? So there's this ice cream place called Ben Lewin, and I went there. Chef's kiss. Their ice cream is 10 out of 10. Okay. So there's this ice cream flavor. I think it's like French honeycomb or honey something, but it's in a yellow thing. It says Velu, and I'll try to insert a picture if I find it. But you guys, I would say definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10. Like, I don't know what it is, but it's a mixture of like vanilla, honey, French. It's giving, you know, it's giving what it needs to give. What was my first job? So my first job, what was my first job? I think my first job was working at Macy's or JCPenney, one of those, but I did retail for a little bit. So now it's really bad because when I go to stores and I see like clothing on the floor, I will pick it up because I know what it is to work in retail, like having to pick up to people. So whenever I go, like, and I see it and I'm passing, something is like, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. And I'm like, ah. Yeah, so that's like was my first job, and it's kind of like a little like trait that followed me. So I really don't like when people leave clothes around the stores and stuff. What's my go-to hairstyle? Wigs. Oh, actually I love wigs, but recently as of last year I discovered this braiding shop here in Dallas, and they do little micro twists, and I love it because it's easy. I can work out in it, so when I'm not feeling like wearing my wigs, I would just go get it braided, and it's super, I think the price is good because it comes with hair and it can last for a long time, and if you're a naturalista as well, I think it will like go really well. And I'm really trying this year to wear my natural hair out more, so be on the lookout for natural hair videos. I hope it's not a promise, but I hope. Do I have any pets? I'm not a pet person, but I love like the little cute dogs that like don't do anything and they're just like standing in the corner. That's it. I'm not really a pet person. I don't know if it's like the African in me or whatnot. I'm not a pet person, but I love cute dogs though. What social media platform do you use the most? You know, funny thing, TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. So I recently got into TikTok, and funny enough, like when my little sisters used to be in TikTok, I'd be like, don't do TikTok, it's addicting. Now I'm just like, I'm here, TikTok. Yeah, so I'm a TikTok girl. I think TikTok, even though it can be addicting, don't get me wrong, it's really, really addicting if you let it be. However, like I've learned a lot of things on TikTok actually, and it's just fun, I would say. What is one thing you wish people knew about you? So I'm an introvert, and I know a lot of people be like, ah, girl, you're not, da, 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 da. No, I would say I'm an ambivert. So I have moments where I'm like, oh my god, yeah, and I'm like, so usually like people who really know me know that like quiet side about me, but some people just naturally think I'm just like all rah 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 all the time, but I'm really, really shy. I'm really introverted, but you know, when I get to know you, yeah, very much so introverted. What's your morning routine? So sometimes, like, you know, I've tried to wake up around like 5 a.m. and stuff. Sometimes I do. I'm not gonna say you'll be like, I wake up at 5 a.m. No, I don't. I'm trying my best to get into like a, you know, morning routine. I don't have a solidified one just yet, but usually my mornings start off with definitely say a prayer. Thank you, Jesus. I used to do my Bible like morning devotions, but I figured the mornings are not the best time for me because, you know, when you're reading and when you wake up, if you're not really fully awake, you'd be reading the Bible and then you fall asleep. Yeah, no. So I move my devotion to like a time that works best for me. So in the morning, usually wake up. Sometimes I'll go to the gym or get some work done. That's really my routine, but I do want to have like a really cool morning routine though. Once I do, I'll let you guys know. What's your favorite book? Okay, follow the Christian Girl Book Club on Instagram. We're coming up with a lot of books. So I love reading. I have a lot of books. I buy a lot of books. Sometimes some of them I've not read them yet, but I would say one of my favorite books are God's Generals, just because I thought it was really cool to see how God moved like in people like back then. And you know, it's like one of those things that like we read the Bible, right, and we're like, oh man, these are like miracles, signs, wonders, and we think it's so far off. And you read God's Generals, you're like, wait, let's just say that the Bible was so far off. The God's Generals is not that far off. Like these were like just years ago. So that's why I love that book, and I believe that, you know, if God can use those people, the generals back in the day, he can definitely still use us for miracles, signs, and wonders. Okay, what are your hobbies? Hobbies, I love hiking, I love running, I love working out, I love cooking, I love sewing. Yeah, I have a lot of hobbies, guys. Like that's why I changed my YouTube name as Keeping Up with Maame, because I have a lot of things that I love to do and I don't want to limit myself to like just one thing. So I guess you could say jack of all trades. Hopefully don't become master of none, because we don't want that. Okay, we're almost done, guys, I promise. What inspired you? So my mother, if you're watching this, hey mom. My mom inspires me a lot, and my siblings as well, just to strive. Being the oldest, it's just like, yeah, they inspire me to do better, to be better. And also, like, I think seeing people in need, and seeing like what's going on in the world, that inspires me to be better, so I can also, like, you know, help, be of help to those who are in need, and, you know, to be a helping hand. So that inspires me, that drives me, that's like, yes, I need to be a billionaire. Cash, chopping and spending the cash on people. Yeah, love giving, guys. Where do you currently live? So I'm currently living in Dallas, Texas. Yeehaw. Is that even a thing? I don't know, guys, but yeah, I'm currently living in Texas. And I think that was it. Was that 21 questions? Yeah, I think that was 21 questions, guys. I'm sorry, I'm not sure what's counting, but that's it, guys. I hope we're doing this like quick video. This is like, oh my god, it's like 10 minutes. You guys get to know a little bit about myself. I'll be doing like weekly vlogs too as well, so we can get to know each other. Oh, I think one question was like, who's your favorite YouTuber? I forgot to answer that question, but I don't know why, y'all, but Lydia Dinga is my favorite YouTuber as of now. I don't know, I just love her spirit, I just love who she is, and like I love watching her vlogs, and I watch other people's vlogs too as well, but she's the one person that I know that every Sunday 7 p.m. UK time, she's releasing a video. You guys should check her out. I think she's just an amazing person overall, amazing woman. Love her vlogs. And also I think Nurse Michelle, love her vlogs too as well. And Nathaniel Bassey Maine, of course. Who doesn't love Nathaniel Bassey? Like, okay, guys, I'm gonna stop talking now. I hope you guys got to know me a little bit while watching this video, a little bit about myself, my personality, and yeah, I'm excited to just be here, give you guys videos. So I'm planning on doing vlogs. I went to Israel, and I have like a lot of vlogs from Israel that I need to upload, a lot of like get ready with me's, a lot of fitness, a lot of food. So content will be coming your way. If you guys have any content that you guys want to see from me, please leave it down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you make it to the end of this video, this 12 long minute video that I'm not gonna edit, so it is what it is. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys on my next Maame Monday video.